What's up world? It's the local leather guy here, bringing you another episode of the Budget Build. If this is the first time you're watching, thanks for joining. You've chosen a very good episode to start off with because I've been looking forward to this episode since I thought of doing the Budget Build. Since I started doing leather work, I've always been tempted to do a little bit of auto trimming because I'm into cars, and thanks to lockdown, that has all changed. So if you saw in the previous episode, the cover that was on my steering wheel I removed to use as a template. So today I'm going to be using that template, pasting it down on the piece of leather I'm going to use for my steering wheel and getting my sizing as close as possible to what the template is so that I can do a couple of test fits on the steering wheel. Then I'll come back to my stitching, but without giving away too much, let's get started. So I have my sizing pretty much sorted out, and now I'm just going to tidy up some of these lines here and try and get it as straight as possible. I don't want to take too much off. I like it when it joins each other. It will be nice and straight. So that's all I'm going to take off there. I'm going to leave this little hump here. Not really sure that I need it, but I'd rather leave it there just in case. I can always cut it away if I don't need it. Okay, cool. So all the holes for the stitching has been done. So now this is a very time-consuming process. Obviously all my goods are made by hand, and stitching does take some time, especially if it's this length. It would obviously go a lot quicker if I had a sewing machine, but I don't. And this is the budgetable, guys. I'm using what I have available. I ain't spending no money. I spent money the other day for the build, but that was my own fault. Okay, cool. So all my stitching is done. It did take me quite a while. It's the next day. So what I'm gonna do today, just join the two ends of the cover so that it's one full piece, and then go fit it over the steering wheel. Little balls up over here, guys. I forgot I'm using the furry side of the leather, so I'm just going to undo this and stitch it down the other way. My bad. Alright, so everything is stitched together, and now we can go test fit it. Well, not test fit it, we can actually go and fit it now. I'm done doing test fits. Yeah, let's get to it. Hands down, the best piece of leather work I've ever done, period. This came out better than expected. I'm not going to say much more. If you like the video, hit a thumbs up. If you want to ask me anything, please leave a comment. And if you like the cars and crafts content, please subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you a lot more. Seeing that we moved down to level 3 on lockdown, I was able to take the car down to my brother, so hopefully he can sort out exactly what is wrong with it, and then we can have some proper fun. So until then, stay home, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.